Welcome to Best Choice. The best Petsafe Pet Door is probably one of the most convenient ways to give your furry friend the freedom to come and go as they please, eliminating the need for you to constantly open and close the door for them. This innovative product is designed to seamlessly integrate into your home, providing a safe and secure passage for your pet while maintaining your home's comfort and security. We'll be diving deep into its features, installation, and overall performance to help you decide if this is the right solution for your household and your beloved companion. Number 5. Petsafe Sliding Glass Pet Door for Large Dogs. Install this pet door easily into your existing sliding door track. No drilling or permanent modifications are needed for a simple DIY setup. Designed for large dogs and cats, it accommodates pets up to 100 pounds. The generous flap opening ensures comfortable access for your furry friends. This patio panel requires a sliding glass door track at least 1 inch deep. It extends slightly from the door frame when the closing panel is installed. Enjoy convenient, energy-efficient, and safe pet access year-round. Features include a magnetic flap, shatter-resistant glass, and a human door lock kit. Built with a sturdy aluminum frame, it's designed to withstand daily use and harsh weather conditions. This ensures long-lasting durability. With over 25 years of experience, we deliver vet and trainer-recommended solutions. Our mission is to create joy for pets and strengthen the bond with their families. What we like. This option offers a no-cut DIY installation, making it incredibly easy to set up in your existing sliding door. It's designed for large pets up to 100 pounds and features a weatherproof, secure design. If you have a sliding glass door and a large dog, and you're looking for a simple, secure installation without any permanent modifications, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It was easy to install and my dog learned to use it right away. The door is sturdy and has held up well to my dog scratching at it. I like that the door is clear so my dog can see through it. Number 4. Petsafe Medium Plastic Pet Door. Give your furry friend the freedom to go outside whenever they need to. They can manage their own potty breaks and playtime without waiting for you. This door is designed for pets up to 40 pounds. The flap opening is 8.18 inches wide by 12.14 inches high, ensuring a comfortable fit. You can easily control your pet's access with the included snap-on closing panel. This also helps keep unwanted stray animals out of your home. The frame is paintable, allowing you to customize it to match your home's existing door color. It blends seamlessly with your decor. Installation is a breeze, perfect for a DIY project. It fits wood, PVC, metal, and paneled doors between 1/16 and 2 inches thick. What we like. This model features a paintable plastic frame, allowing you to seamlessly match it to your home's decor. It's designed for pets up to 40 pounds and includes a convenient snap-on closing panel for access control. If you have a medium-sized pet and want a pet door that blends in with your home's aesthetic, this is the ideal solution. What people say. The door is easy to install and the flap seals well. My dog learned to use it very quickly, and it keeps the weather out. The plastic is durable and has held up well to my dog's use. Number 3. Petsafe Happy Ride Folding Dog Ramp. Introducing the Happy Ride Folding Dog Ramp. It's designed to help your furry friend access any vehicle, from SUVs to trucks. This ramp makes every journey a breeze. Despite weighing only 10 pounds, this ramp can support dogs up to 150 pounds. Its clever folding design makes it easy to take anywhere. Your pet's safety is paramount. This ramp features high-traction treads, protective side rails, and non-slip rubber feet for maximum stability. When not in use, it conveniently folds in half and locks securely with a safety latch. Storing it between adventures is simple. We offer a range of solutions to help your senior pet reach their favorite places. Consider our ramps, lift harnesses, and travel crates. Proudly made in the USA, this ramp reflects our commitment to quality. Since 1998, we've been dedicated to creating happy, healthy, and safe environments for pets. What we like. This is a lightweight, folding travel ramp that's easy to store and transport. It boasts a high-traction surface for safety and can support dogs up to 150 pounds. If you frequently travel with your dog, especially in SUVs or trucks, and need a safe, portable way for them to get in and out, this ramp is an excellent option. What people say. The door is easy to install and adjust. My dog learned to use it very quickly. It's a great way to give your pet freedom to go in and out. Number 2. Solvit 62337 Deluxe Telescoping Pet Ramp. Easily help your furry friend access any vehicle with this innovative pet ramp. It's designed for convenience and safety, ensuring a smooth transition for your pet. This ramp extends from 39 to 72 inches, making it perfect for reaching the back of vans and SUVs. No more jumping or struggling for your pet. The high traction surface provides a secure grip for your pet's paws, preventing slips and falls. You can have peace of mind knowing they are safe. Integrated side rails offer an extra layer of security, guiding your pet and preventing them from stepping off the sides. It's designed with their well-being in mind. When not in use, it conveniently folds up with a safety latch to keep it securely closed. This makes storage and transport a breeze. With a robust support capacity of up to 400 pounds, it's suitable for dogs of all sizes and breeds. It's built to last and accommodate your beloved companion. What we like? This telescoping ramp extends to reach higher vehicles like vans and SUVs, offering a high traction surface for secure footing. It has an impressive weight capacity of up to 400 pounds. If you have a larger breed dog or need to access taller vehicles, this ramp provides the reach and strength you need. What people say? The flap is very durable and has held up well to my dogs chewing on it. Easy to install, and the locking cover works great to keep my pets inside when needed. The size is perfect for my medium-sized dog, and she learned how to use it right away. Number 1. Petsafe Wall Entry Pet Door, Large. This pet door is ideal for homes where installing a door into your main entryway isn't feasible. It offers a convenient solution for your pet's access needs. Crafted from durable plastic, its frame resists rust unlike steel alternatives. It also provides excellent insulation to keep your home comfortable. The adjustable telescoping tunnel is designed for walls between 434 and 714 inches thick. Extension kits are available for thicker walls. This do-it-yourself project is simple to install in any interior or exterior wall. A cutting template and instructions are included to guide you. Its double flap design ensures weatherproofing and energy efficiency. A removable panel adds extra insulation when not in use. This large size is perfect for dogs up to 100 pounds. The flap opening measures 10.14 inches wide by 16.14 inches high. Grant your pets the freedom to come and go as they please. It's perfect for quick potty breaks or spontaneous playtime. What we like? This pet door is specifically designed for installation directly into your wall, featuring a telescoping tunnel for adjustable thickness. It offers excellent insulation and energy efficiency with a double flap design. If you can't install a pet door in your human door or prefer a wall-mounted solution, this is a great, energy-efficient choice for your pet's freedom. What people say? Easy to install, and my dog learned to use it right away. The flap is durable and seals well, keeping out drafts. It's a great size for my medium-sized dog and feels very sturdy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.